What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this video. I am Raju Bhattur, affiliate marketer of Legendary Marketer, ClickBank and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. So guys, in this video I will discuss active income and passive income, and I will discuss which one is better. Before starting this video, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhattur and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing. So if you want to make money by affiliate marketing and if you long run your affiliate marketing, then you can subscribe my YouTube channel. And you see here I am uploading videos in the daily basis, a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. So if you want to long run your affiliate marketing, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. And at the end of this video, I will show you how can I make this big money by affiliate marketing. Now, do you know what is active income and what is passive income? Actually, income is income. Every income is better. But most of the online marketer on sleeping money, traveling money, uh, they earn money when they gossiping with their family and friends and the sleeping time, the traveling time. But if you want to make this sleeping money, traveling money, then you have to earn passive income. In case of active income, when you are active, your income will be active. It's passive income, it's active income, sorry, and you are not active in your working, in your office, in your workplace, but you can earn your income. Yeah, that is passive income. So both income is good, both income is better, but if you want sleeping money, traveling money, then you have to choose passive income. Now I will show you various categories. Suppose if you want to promote your offer or products via Facebook, in this case Facebook, I will discuss active income and passive income via Facebook. In case of Facebook, suppose you are selling your offers or your training program, your software by one-to-one message, just typing message, chatting. It in this case it's active income. If you sell anything by messaging your customer or by one-to-one message, then it's active income. If you don't message, then you can't make money. If you message every day, then you can make money in every day. But if you don't message for 7 days or 15 days, then within these 7 days or 15 days you can't make a single dollar. So when you active, your income is active. But in this case, passive income, you have to grow your Facebook page. It's my Facebook page. You see here I am providing various helpful content inside my Facebook page, and in the pin post I promote a offer, and I don't message anyone to check my pin post. People check it and I make sale. Or you can grow your Facebook group. You see here is one of my announcement post, and I don't say anyone to check my announcement post. People check my announcement post as their wish. So my task is providing content inside my Facebook page and Facebook group. I don't promote anyone one-to-one. So anyone can buy from my Facebook post or Facebook group, page post or group post. It's passive when I am not active but my income is running. That's it. Now in this case, suppose website. In the case of website, suppose you have a review website and you review this always upcoming products or running products. So when you promote this running product or upcoming products, then it will run for 5 days or 7 days or 10 days. Within these 5-7 days you can earn money. After that you can earn money. You see here, it's my review post, a review website, and I am posting various review products here, and within 7 days its search volume is reduced day by day and I don't get any sale from my previous post. But it's in case website, it's active income. Now you see here it my another website and I am posting here helpful content. You see here, what is the beautiful subject line for email marketing? Why your website never rank on Google? How to use Instagram for your business? All the helpful content inside here. And this type of content search volume is high and it's for evergreen. I don't know from where and when people come into this my website and when they buy anything from my website. It's for evergreen. So in this case of website, it's my passive income source. So if you can post, if you start blogging for helping content, then you can earn passive income using website. Now in this case, paid ads. Suppose you are running paid ads. Same case, you are running products paid ad. In this case, it's active income. When the search volume is day by day, when your search volume reduces, your income will stop. But if you run your paid ad for collecting email or leads, and if you set up your 1 month, 2 month, or 3 months autoresponder, then you don't need to check your paid campaign every day. You just set up it once and you will get traffic day by day or lead day by day, and your autoresponder sequence make money for you. It's basic. Now in the case of YouTube, it's also the same. If you promote any running time product, then you have to upload videos for daily basis, and within 5 or 7 days or 10 days your search volume will reduce and you will reduce your sale, and on time you can get a single sale from your previous videos. But in this case of helping videos, you see my YouTube channel, how to make money on Fiverr. It's a evergreen keyword and people will search this keyword for a long term. Best companies for buying a domain or hosting. What are the rules of success? How to make money with surveys? How to promote click CP offers using Facebook? Secret of growing Instagram followers step by step. How to create amazing images for free. How to promote ClickBank products using Tumblr. All the evergreen keyword. And I don't know from where and when people come into my YouTube channel and buy my promoting offers or products, and I am making money. So guys, if I can understand the concept of active income and passive income, then comment yes. And if you have any question and if you don't understand it, then comment in the comment box. And you see here, it's Legendary Marketer. It's an educational online marketing training program. If you are a newbie and you don't know from where you should start your online journey, and if you want to long run your online journey, then Legendary Marketer is the best number one business model at the present time. Because in case of online marketing, you have to learn first, then you can earn. But if you want to get overnight success, then Legendary Marketer is not for you, and no software and no method works for this hurry money, this fast money. It's not possible. You have to learn first, you have to grow your traffic, then you can earn. Otherwise, you can't make a single dollar, or you have to run paid ad campaigns, or you have to buy solo ad for instant traffic. But if you are a newbie, I don't suggest you to run paid ads or solo ads. In this case, running paid campaign, you need huge marketing experience, you need keyword research experience. Otherwise, your invested money will be lost. So, Legendary Marketer is the best training program for anyone if you are a newbie or expert, if you want to run your online business successfully for lifetime. It's a high ticket training program, and I am making 1000 sell by on sale. So it's only 7 needed to join here, and after joining here, you see here all these 15 days business challenge, and a coach will be appointed for you to solve all of your problems. So guys, if you want to make big money, then join Legendary Marketer and make this big commission like me, and be a legendary like me. So guys, if this video helped you to get this concept, active income and passive income, then thumbs up my video and comment if you have any question, and don't forget to share this video for the other people. So guys, best of luck, see you soon, God bless you, bye.